Hello, today on Curio de Haven, I'm taking this punch bowl, which is made with copper and silver, and I'm going to polish it up so it looks like this. Stay with me and watch how I do it. So I am going to start cleaning the antique silver and copper. It's just so beautiful. It's going to end up looking like this when it's said and done. And I'm going to add some water already just to this pot because why not? It's a pot. So I have a little bit of apple cider and vinegar and baking soda in here. And I'm just going to keep adding water to it because I have quite a few to do, plus the ladle. Into the pot, these guys are going. I want to be really careful with them because they are antique. I'll talk a little bit more about the creator of this awesome set a little bit later. I'm going to grab some baking soda and I will be right back. Now, baking soda, just normal baking soda. As we know, there's a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here and water and the aluminum, so it will start to have a chemical reaction and bubble up. Not as much as I thought. That's okay. I'm going to empty this in there. And I'm going to let these guys soak for a little bit. That's what they look like inside. They're just going to sit in there for a little bit. I'm not really sure how long. I'm going to probably 10 minutes. I'm going to test it and then I'll try to wipe down all the tarnish off of it. Looks like it's already starting to come up a little bit, which is good. I'll get a cloth and start wiping up the the tarnish, and should be good to go from there. So this is what it looks like wet. Again, I have a wooden handle. I don't want to keep wet too long. There's copper and other materials. You can see it's black, so I'm going to start just wiping it away on camera. And that is just one swipe, so you can see the difference. I am going to keep at this and polishing this silver and copper, and I will show you the end result in a moment. I got a different towel. It's somewhat white. Use a towel that you do not mind to get dirty. You need to transfer all this tarnish that is just oxidized, it just collected right to the silver. Once you wipe that away, it's going to transfer to obviously what you're using. We know when you clean something up that's really filthy, it gets dirty. I mean, that's just what happens. So caution, use something that does not mean anything to you because, again, you might have to throw it away. While we're looking at the slow motion clip, Theodore B. Starr was born in 1837 and died in 1907. During that time, he was a jeweler and a silversmith, and a lot of his works can be found in the Metropolitan Museum of Art. His son sold his shop to another company in 11 years after his passing in 1918, and that just tells me that this particular punch bowl and all the cups and the ladle are no older than 1918, which is kind of cool. And that's my video on how to polish silver and copper and other metals. If you like what you see, please smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.